Greetings and blessings, beautiful people. Welcome to Nanava's Kitchen. It is another lovely and beautiful day. So let's say hello, sunshine, with this refreshing and hydrating watermelon limeade infused with ginger. Let's begin. So I am currently juicing my limes. I have already prepped my ginger, just a little bit is all we need. So that's already in the blender. I just peeled it, washed it, and put in the blender. And I'm juicing the lime straight into the blender. Now my watermelon, I have already washed thoroughly the entire watermelon, and now I have halved it. So I'm now going to cut them into wedges so I can remove the fruit. Now this watermelon is super ripened. Look at the color on it. That's where the evidence is in terms of how ripened it is. And because it's so ripened, it is also very sweet. I took a bite of it and it was very satisfying. Quite hydrating. Nothing says refreshing hydration better than watermelon that is super ripened. So the watermelons go straight into the blender as well. Quick to make, literally under 10 minutes to whip this drink together. Prep time included. So now we're going to blend it up to make room for the rest of the watermelons. And then we're going to strain it. And that's pretty much all she wrote, friends and family. Hydrating, refreshing. Look at the color on this drink. If that doesn't say drink me because I'm so refreshing, and I would definitely quench your thirst because I'm hydrating, I do not know what else does. The taste of watermelon is green, it's fresh, it has cucumber notes, and the color in it is so calming. So when you drink it too, it just is so easy to drink, friends. It really is soothing to your throat. I hope that you're able to try this recipe because this watermelon is also super sweet. The lime in there, the tartness of the lime helps to really balance that sweetness. And also the ginger. We all know ginger has this floral, earthy property to it that just makes everything fresh taste even fresher. So hey friends, this drink was easy to make, like I said, quick to whip up, and it was super refreshing, definitely hydrating, and I hope you try this recipe because it's that easy to do. So we're straining it now. Almost done. Under 10 minutes, friends. That's all it took. Now the pulp I do not need in this recipe, so that is going to go into my mulch container or my composting container, including the skin as well. Now this foamy substance, I'm just going to skim it off. Now you can leave it alone. The foamy substance is just really air from blending it. So when we blended it, the blender whipped air into it, and that's all it is, just pigment and air. So you can leave it alone for a while, the air will deflate, but I'm in a hurry, so to really down this drink because it's that good, I just skim it off. Now look at that. Friends, that calming pink, between pink and red color is quite inviting. It's super summery. It's just pretty. That did it for me, the color. Absolutely. It's a very pretty drink. Done. Serve this over some ice, and surely no need for a sweetener. But if you want yours a little sweeter, then you can definitely add your sweetener of choice. But it was just sweet enough. We loved it. Refreshing and hydrating. This watermelon limeade infused with ginger is the quintessential, very cooling and refreshing, also hydrating summer drink. Any excess can be stored in bottles with airtight lids and take it with you to your next picnic. I bet you everyone will love this. I certainly hope that you learn a thing or two and are inspired to try this recipe. If you did enjoy yourself today, kindly give me a thumbs up and then also make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.